Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to watch Netflix offline using the Netflix app. To do this, it's very simple. You go to the Netflix app, you open it, and after that, go and choose the show or the movie that you want to watch online. And after that, for example, I will choose this one, open it, and be sure that this is the show that you want to watch offline. And after that, go to that show, and you have here the option to download on the Netflix app. Click on it, for example, like that. And for example, for me, I have to turn on the Wi-Fi. I turned on the Wi-Fi so I can download the content. And as you can see, the content is downloading here now. And if I go and click on my Netflix, as you can see, I can find like this episode that I'm downloading actually here. And if I want, I can watch that episode offline when I'm traveling or if I'm in a place where I don't have access to internet. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next